Test Builder and how you can use this to import files right into your learning management system or to print out assignments. First, just click and go right into whatever class you would like to create an assignment for. Come to Library at the top here, and on the left side you'll see Test Builder and in parentheses print/export. Click there. This is just going to give you a brief summary of what you're able to do in Test Builder. So I will click Go to Test Builder right in the middle of the screen. Test Builder will open up in a new tab for you. And what I'll do is in the top left, I'm going to go ahead and hit Create New. So I'm going to create a new test. And then I will click Add Question right in the middle. First thing to do is just name this assignment. So I'll say Exam 1, and we're going to be adding questions from, let's say, chapters 1, 2, and 3. So the first step is just to add your questions in. So if I double click on the chapter, this is going to have my entire test bank listed out. What you're able to do is some of the different filter options. Maybe I just want to look at my multiple choice. And then I can check mark what questions I would like to add in. I'm just going to add 5 questions from each chapter for this example. To change my chapter, I click Change right at the top here. Go into Chapter 2. You'll notice that your filter stays, so you're not going to have to apply that filter to every chapter that you select from. So we'll select our 5 questions, click Add right in the middle here, and do it one more time. Go into Chapter 3. I will select my questions, and we'll go ahead and hit Add. Perfect. So now we have 15 questions. I can see the total points is 150. A couple things you're able to do is you can preview that question. So if you wanted to see what the question was, just click right on the title of it. If I wanted to change the points, you can do that. Although if you're going to be printing this assignment out, you will not need to worry about the point value. I'll go ahead and hit Continue right on the bottom left side. And then here is where we can choose, do I want to export this as a QTI file, which is the file that's compatible to be uploaded into Canvas, D2L, and Blackboard. Or I can choose a docx, which is just the Microsoft Word document. If I do a docx, you do have some different formatting options, so you can scramble your questions, design the appearance, what type of layout would you like, headers, footers, display the question type, so do you want it to be true, false, and then multiple choice questions, or how would you like that to be displayed to students? After making your adjustments, go ahead and hit Submit at the bottom here. One thing you can do as well, if you would like these settings to be applied to any assignments or exams that you create in the future through Test Builder, you can check this button here. And what I'll do is hit Submit. This is saying it will send you an email when that file is ready. I'm going to click OK. And so you'll see the availability will say pending initially. And after about 15 to 20 seconds, you'll see that file type is ready. To refresh the page in the top right here, just click this icon. That'll refresh it. And there we'll see our document is ready for viewing. So if I click there, that's going to download that file right to my computer. And we'll open it up and kind of take a look at what that document's going to look like.